Andy, hello. Very beautiful. Thank you. Shen, shen. Shen, shen. I'm so well. Tayo pa rin. No name, hello. I think you are 17. No, I'm 21. Dan, hello. I'm 21. Lakas tama. Di nawawala. Gucci, hello. I am 30. Jar Jar, hello. Kim, hello Kim. Hello, Char Char. Bench, hello. Bakit ayaw? Bakit ayaw? Thank you. Henry, hello. Char Char, what's up? Here, I'm not feeling well. I'm still not feeling well because of cold. Of cold. Remember, hello. Lapoy, hello. Henry, hello. Booster, hello. How old are you? 21. Jacob, hello. Jordan, hello. Yeah, I remember you. I always remember my support. The one that support me, I remember. Jaya, hello. I remember, hello. You got good memories. Yeah. So you're really from Rizal? I am from Rizal, Antipolo. Why? I'm from Antipolo. Friends, hello. I remember, hello. Kevin, hello. Oh, Antipolo. Yeah. I actually never been there. I thought you're from Rizal. Hello, Jeremiah. I'm like with my dad. Where are you now? Are you in Rizal? Are you in Rizal? Hello, Pip Hottie. Hello. Super Papam. Hi. Ganda mo pala, no? Chong, hello. Pepenchi, hi. Sampas. Namumula na po ate. Randina, hello. Mark Twain. LS, hello. Space Monkey, hi. Honey, hello. How was your day, my love? It's fine. Are you single? ID number, hello. Hello, ang cute. Char Char, thank you. Thank you, Char Char. Thank you so much. Thank you. Are you in Rizal right now? Ouchie, hello. Buzzing Jack, hello. That's so cute. Pakiramdam ko? Wala naman. Wala naman akong naiisip. So, is Rizal boring? No, Rizal is not boring. Rizal has a lot of beautiful girls. When I look at the make, it's all mountains and woods. No, Rizal is city. It's a city. Then it's a lot of, what do you call this? It's a lot of rides. It's a lot of rides, and it's a lot of vehicles, and it's a lot of crime. So like balanga. What's balanga? Aray, dugo na naman ilong. A lot of crime. A lot of crime. A lot of crime. Mike, hello. And then, when you go to Rizal, keep your money inside your pocket because there's a lot of crime. AK, hello. Also, when you go to Rizal, a lot of food. There's a lot of food, but there's also a lot of girls at night roaming around. Yeah, a lot of crime. Pits, hello. And